Hello everyone, my name is Satyam Siddharth and today's my topic is understanding positive and negative velocity in medical line. A quick guideline for biomedical physics is physics. Now, velocity is speed plus directions. How fast which way? A velocity quantity. Why it matters in biomedicine? How fast we which way? Velocity tells speed and directions of motion. Same speed can mean different motion if direction changes. A vector quantity, magnitude, is equal to speed. Direction, set by a chosen axis. Units typically meters per second, just like why it matters in biomedicines, describe blood flow, air flow, and tissue movement. Second is helps interpret Doppler and other flow measurement. Positive velocity, forward by definitions, biomedical, forward definitions, positive velocity means motion in the chosen plus direction. Sign depends on your axis, not on good or bad. Biomedical examples, blood flow, set plus directions away from the heart along a vessels. Then blood moving away from the heart has velocity decreased by 0. How you choose the direction. Pick a reference point and arrow before measuring velocity. Keep the same sign conventions across all graphs and tools. Negative velocity. What negative means? Velocity sign shows direction not bad or smaller speed. Negative is equal to motion opposite the chosen positive axis. Biomedical examples blood flow. If away from heart is positive, return flow is negative. If away from heart is positive and return flow is negative. Doppler's ultrasound reports flow towards probe as negative and positive also. Biomedical examples, muscles, just like contraction can create negative velocity along a defined limb axis, just like relaxations or opposition motions flips the signs. Why sign conventions matter? Same speed, different directions, just like positive 0.5 milli per second versus negative 0.5 milli per second. Consistent axis prevent errors in diagnosis and reporting. Why directions matters? Separating blood body flow, just like direction distinguishes inflow or outflow in vessels, airway ducts. Opposite signs can indicate reflux and regurgitations or obstructions. Diagnostic depends on sign. Doppler ultrasound reports velocity towards versus away from probe. Sign changes over time can reveal abnormal timing patterns. Treatment and monitoring track therapy effects by comparing pre-post velocity directions and size. Help sets device goals, pumps, stents, ventilators, and catheters. Imaging, interpretations. Flow maps use sign a color code forward versus reverse motions. Clear signs conventions prevents misreading results across scans. Key velocity text. Signs is equal to direction. Choose a reference directions. Forward is positive. Motion opposite that choose choice is negative. Biomedicines needs both. Flow can reverse towards versus away from heart. Muscles and organs move back and forth each cycle. Why it matters? Imaging and sensors infer directions from velocity science. Correct science prevents misreading normal versus abnormal motions. Thank you for your cooperation.